I stumbled across a question where someone was saying, please teach me, I really don't know how to make money online. Now, when people are talking about making money online, there is no one way to make money online. There are different ways you can make money online. Hi guys, welcome to Thematic Bank's channel. So you guys, we're going to be talking about making money online in 2022 here in Nigeria. So you can make money working from home. I've done a couple of other videos that you can watch, okay, but I want to talk to you about how you can make money online through YouTube. YouTube is a video streaming platform, okay, where creators from all over the world upload their videos, all right, and people watch and people make money. How can you make money on YouTube? The YouTube platform, they have their rules and their regulations, and basically the basic thing people will tell you is that have 1,000 subscribers, have 4,000 watch hours, accepted in the Google YouTube partnership program. They begin to run ads on your videos, right? And you can begin to make money. But that's just a very basic, like generic advice, okay? Because that's not all there is. You can use YouTube to grow your business. You can use YouTube to grow your business, to grow your brand, your personal brand, because in these days your personal brand is the biggest asset that you have, because people don't just buy from businesses, people don't just buy from organizations, people buy stuff from people that they know, people that they like, and people that they trust. So the YouTube platform is bigger than just people putting Google AdSense, YouTube putting Google AdSense on your videos and you make money. That's a great way to make money, but most experienced YouTubers will tell you that the Google AdSense itself is the least way to generate money on the YouTube platform, all right? And I, for one, am on a one-man campaign to let people know that it is not only Google AdSense, right? There are other ways that you can make money on this platform. Before we go on, I want to let you know that I have a membership for beginners. If you are just starting out, or you have been thinking, you've been procrastinating that I want to start a YouTube channel, but I really don't know where to start from. I don't know how to go about it. I'm not a YouTuber, I just stumbled across this video, then this is for you. So you can check the description box for my membership. It's a monthly membership, but guess what? You are going to have access to the best trainers you can find, all right, on not just doing YouTube, but building a business and a personal brand online, all right? So if you're interested, check the description box and join. All right, so let me get back to making money on YouTube and what is possible. Now, in terms of making money, there are different avenues. Some people have turned YouTube to their businesses. Now, one of the things I will teach you in my membership is the importance of registering your business, okay? Even though, yes, you are just running a YouTube channel, but having that YouTube channel under a business, okay, so that you are not just doing it for we are just here to do video. No, you're not just here to do video. You are building a business, you are building a brand, okay? So when you register your business, you are in business, you are a serious business owner. So you should not just look at it that this is just a hobby thing. A lot of people do it that way, but I have a different mindset when it comes to YouTube, okay? This is a business. This is there are structures that you put in place that you can even go to the bank and get a loan for this YouTube thing that you are doing. Anyway, if you join the membership, you learn all of that anyway. So there are different ways you could make money on the platform of YouTube. There are people who sell products and you don't, like I told you when I started, that you need to have that. If you want to get ads on your videos, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, you need to have 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, you've probably heard that a million times, but what you've not heard is that even before your channel is monetized, you can begin to monetize your channel. If you are somebody that runs a business, okay, and you are in a particular line, you can begin to monetize and talk about what your business is about and grow your audience, okay, grow your community, and you already have a market, because YouTube is not a social media platform. That's what a lot of people don't understand. YouTube is a search engine. So people are coming online to search for different things. They have problems, they are coming here to search for things. Yes, YouTube can be used as a means of entertaining people. That's good. A lot of people are entertaining people on the platform, but that's not the only thing. All right, that's not the only thing. And the one of the reasons I like the YouTube platform is that you don't have to be a celebrity, you don't have to have um outrageous skills. You can start wherever you are. If you have a phone, I've done a video on affordable equipment you can use to start your YouTube channel. I'm going to put it somewhere here so you can check it out, so you know that you don't have it, it's been democratized. It's not like those days that you needed to have a lot of money to go on AIT or some news or TV channel to put your advert or your rate. As a small business person, you can use this platform to grow your personal brand and your business. And okay, one thing a lot of people always says that it is oversaturated, everybody and their mother is doing this. Let me tell you something. When you go to the market, you have different people selling tomatoes, and every day they will sell their tomatoes, make their profit and go home. So you need to have your own focus and focus on your focus. Forget about gossip, forget about drama, forget about any of that. You should have your own goal. I'm on this platform, this is how much I want to make this month. Now everybody's journey is different, but when you embrace your own journey and know that this is my path, this is my journey, there's nothing in life that you start that you just fly like that. It doesn't work that way. If you come with that mindset, you will struggle, you feel discouraged, because you'll be comparing yourself to this person's channel, comparing yourself to that person's own, comparing yourself to somebody that maybe you started before and the person has gotten 100,000. All right, all those things are not necessary. You should know that your own individual path is your own path, and focus on your focus on what it is. Why are you here? Focus on that. All right, and keep growing your brand. And I always say something, that timing, the thing about timing, your time is different. You're taking the light, hey. Your timing is different from somebody else's timing, and working in your own timing is the best gift that you can give to yourself. It's not just about the destination of where you are going to, it's about the process to get to that destination and enjoying every single step of the way. All right, I know maybe you were expecting one step, two, step three to make money and all those type of things, but you need to become a different person in order to attract the type of money that you are looking for. Desperation will not help you get to where you are going. If you are desperate, you want to try everything, at the end of the day you find out that if you are just with just a little bit of patience and following principles and structures and plans, you would achieve your desired goals. So if you're interested in working with me, okay, look, there are 1,001 people that teach YouTube, okay, but they cannot teach you YouTube the way Thematic will teach you YouTube. You feel me? Okay, so if you say, it's you that I like, this way that you are just smiling, that's the one I want, check the description box, okay, and join the membership. It's for beginners. All right, so if you have already started your YouTube and all of that, this is not for you. This is for people who want to start, people who are thinking about starting, people who have not made up their mind to start. Come and join. Let me show you what it is possible. All right, I will create a different program for people who already started, but this is for beginners and people that have not started YouTube at all. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to this channel. I talk about small businesses, I talk about online businesses, and I share snippets of my life on this channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.